Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to remove keyboard layout from Windows 11 taskbar. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, go to your settings of your Windows, go to your time and language. After doing this step, go to your typing. After that, go to your advanced keyboard settings. Now after that, click on language bar options. After doing this step, make sure that selected are hidden. After that, click on apply and OK button. After doing this step, select a use the desktop language bar when it's available. Now check it. Now you can see that. After doing this step, click on close button. Now you can see that the keyboard layout from Windows 11 taskbar will be removed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.